and start. Let's let the pan warm up a little bit, and you use the rest of your chips, your kale, make it bite-sized there. Okay, we'll place that to the side. And guys, we are adding cherry tomatoes, and we are at the end of the season, so these are very cheap and they're very good. I've been eating them all summer and fall long. So you just want to nice half them because I'm one of those I like to get a little of everything when I take a bite. So I'm just going to half or quarter them just based on their size, like so. Just quarter it out, I think. Just a couple more. One more. While your pan is heating, I always like to warm the pan up some for you as you go. Move my chips out of your way. It's still nice and hot. I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil here. Just drizzle it around. And we take the rest of our nice kale chips here. And just add a little bit of heat. Only takes a couple of minutes. And we're going to take out your tomatoes and sprinkle them in. And we'll just add a little more garlic salt to give it some flavor there. Okay. Just give them a nice little saute there. And it really won't take long. This is one of those fix it fast meals. And we need to be eating more fruits and vegetables. That is more of a plant-based diet. And we'll turn that down and let it simmer a little bit. And continue to stir. You see as the kale wilts down, that's your signal that they're about done. Let's plate that very quickly. And those colors are gorgeous. Okay. And I'll top that off with just a little bit of feta cheese. Everything's better with feta. Okay. Beautiful. And we have we have one more dish to make here with our kale. And this is filled with protein, lots of fiber, and like I said, quite a lot of nutritional value to it, uh, and healing properties. So we're going to take our kale and, like I said, bite size is always better, so you can get a little of everything in there. Place that to the side over here. I love it's apple season, and that's it. Apple a day keeps the doctor away. And as I continue to read, that's literally and figuratively in there. I love, and these are the Honey Crisps. They're really nice. And so you just cut it off there a little bit. And once again, I like to keep everything at bite size. And just corner it there. Add these nice apples to our salad. Bumper crop this year on pecans. Another seasonal food. Just take those and sprinkle them about. And so, as well as cranberry, it adds a lot of great flavor to it. And very good. And you can add the dressing of your choice in there, and we will provide a recipe for those different flavors so they can pop all together. And welcome to Kale Nation. You have multiple recipes. You have something for breakfast. You can have snack, and you can have dinner. Okay. Thank you. See you guys again soon. Have a good day.